All right, you guys can see what we're covering today, so let's waste no more time and get right in today's topic. As always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. Looking at the price of Terra Luna Classic right now, currently trading at that 0.000172 cents mark. It is up about 4.2% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, also up about 3.8% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Market cap is currently above that $1 billion mark, so we will definitely take that, and the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at $155.9 million. But now comes the question that's on everyone's mind right now. What is the next price target for Terra Luna Classic? Are we in the safe end or should we be worried? We're going to cover all that today. So if you are a Terra Luna Classic holder, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Before we jump into the charts, just wanted to share this with you guys. This is the staking update right now for Terra Luna Classic. You guys can see 13% of its supply is basically being staked right now, which is a very positive thing to take away from this. The reason being, about 13% of the circulation supply and the overall market valuation is being staked right now, meaning it's not on the exchanges to be purchased. So that is definitely something nice to note. And as this number goes up and the burns start to get bigger and bigger, guess what's going to happen? It's going to be more harder to acquire Terra Luna Classic when the bulls really do return. Remember, we've been projecting that the bull market is returning this year. We could see a little bit of choppiness along the way in Q1, but Q2 is when I really do see the overall reversal happening for the cryptocurrency markets. And if we take that into consideration, Terra Luna Classic is going to be flocked with a lot of interest coming in, especially when the bulls return, which we're already starting to see hints of that trickle in within the markets. You guys see what's happening as this year started on such a positive note. Altcoins going insane and Bitcoin going insane. Excitement coming in once again in the markets. So you guys can see where things are headed. But now let's waste no more time and get right into the charts and see what's going on with the price and where we could be going in the immediate short term. So if we're looking at the daily time frame, this is how it looks like. We've been hovering back and forth above this level of resistance for such a long time now, since November after the FTX collapse. You guys can see we try to wick above it, rejection, wick above it, rejection, wick above it again, rejection. And this time around could be different considering the overall market sentiment. But now let's go into the hourly time frame to give you a better perspective as to what is going on and what needs to happen for us to really start heading towards the upside. Once again, if we're looking at the hourly time frame, look where we're finding ourselves at. We're finding ourselves once again trying to fight between this level of resistance, trying to stay above there. You guys can see the price did wick all the way down to that 1.54 cents mark after Bitcoin had a little bit of a shake off. But you guys can see you cannot make this up right now. This is something that you cannot make. Charts speak for themselves. You guys can see the price once again, right after having this wick towards the downside, pulled back up very, very fast. And this right here, I think this type of move is obviously a Bitcoin correlation, but also futures. The futures really do kind of affect the price like this. These kind of moves like these, that fast move down, fast jump up. This is a futures market, extremely manipulated. And if you're a viewer on my channel, one thing I want each and every one of my viewers to do is stay away from margin trading, which is futures, leverage trading. Stay away from that. If you want to, say goodbye to your money, that is what that is there for. There's a lot of people, I'm not going to say any names, that say, oh, leverage trading, you make so much money, blah, blah, blah. Sorry to say, 99% of the time, you will end up losing massive amounts of money. And the 1% that are making, it's very, very, maybe not even the percent itself is making money. It's obviously includes the exchanges and all these leverage platforms that rack in millions and millions, not even millions, billions of dollars off of this. So stay away from that if you are a viewer on my channel. But you guys can see we did wick above it once again and boom, back down. So this should only show us one thing, and that's how important this level of resistance really is and how important for us to really stay above there. I've mentioned this to you guys on my channel for so long. We need to see the price above this for us to really start talking about reversals. Right now we are sitting very close. That is a positive thing to take away from this, but before this day comes to an end, I do need to see the price of Terra Luna Classic close above this level of resistance. Looking at the price of Bitcoin, you guys can see Bitcoin has been consolidating around this range, and what have I been saying on my channel for the longest time? If you are a regular viewer on my channel, you already know what I've been saying, but if this is your first time coming onto my channel, guys, I've been talking about this level of resistance at that $22,000 mark. I've not been talking about this for the longest time, and we never really managed to see the price break above it, and that should show why I turned bullish above this level. It's extremely important, and yet we are yet to go past that, so we will see what happens. But if the price of Bitcoin were to go past that, and I really do see the overall altcoin market is going to react, and obviously Terra Luna Classic is not an exception, we are going to retest that 2.14 cents mark, and once we break out of there, guys, that's when the excitement begins. But we have not even seen the level of excitement as of now. Obviously bull market is just starting. More and more retail interest is going to come in, more institutional interest is going to come in, but aside from the institutional, we're not going to see much institutional interest. I meant to say big big companies from crypto are going to be looking into Terra Luna Classic because they would want to get the share of the pie in terms of the burn. Right now, Binance, the biggest exchange in cryptocurrency, is backing Terra Luna Classic on a very massive point, massive side. They have their back, they're supporting it a lot, and guess what? This does not mean only Binance is going to be doing this. There's going to be a lot of other exchanges coming in and that are going to start implementing and supporting this burn along with Terra Luna Classic, which is really going to get the hype building up once again. And I've mentioned this to you guys for the longest time. Price is its own thing, and the community power is its own thing. The community power for Terra Luna Classic is massive. Even after having such a massive collapse, we did see Terra Luna Classic still hold in the top 100 spot. This was one of the biggest collapse, one of the biggest crashes of last year. And it's very unfortunate how this overall system works, because Sam Bankman-Fried's overall next hearing is in October, which is months down the road. This year just started, so almost this year is going to be ended when we're going to hear anything about this. And what if he was behind the Terra Luna Classic crash? What if he was the criminal that was behind this? And we can't really find out anymore because that case has been pushed back to such a later date. But regardless of the matter, the price is looking well. It's still in an upwards trajectory, but like I said, we do need to be above this level of resistance at all cost. But the overall future is exciting. Let me know down below what you guys think, where you could see the price of Terra Luna Classic go, and what is your strategy right now? Are you guys picking up some more up? Are you accumulating? Let me know down below, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much for all the support. I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.